Ate, anong gagawin mo pag nagkita kayo ng personal?
Mamahalin ko siya. Good morning, handsome.
A very loving girl.
Where the hell is my coffee?
My coffee!
I never believed
Who are you?
Laida Magdalas po. Nag-a-apply na editorial assistant.
You're hired.
Plus, a very unlovable guy.
Sana pati ugali pwedeng dito kayo, no?
Pressured lang talaga siguro yung tao.
Kahit nga bata, kayang gawin to eh. Laida!
Yes, sir!
Kulit mo yan!
Equals a very happy relationship.
Yung mga ganyan tipong lalaki, pinipilahan yan.
Uy, tinitila ako!
But I'm never gonna let go.
Kung akala mo walang nagmamahal sa'yo, meron. Ako.
This July, Star Cinema and Viva Films bring you a very special love story for the year 2008. Starring John Lloyd Cruz and Sarah Geronimo.
Kailangan pag nagmahal ka, dapat gising ka. Dapat dilat ang mga mata.
In a very special film by Kathy Garcia Molina.
Count on always to
A very special love. Showing on July 30, 2008.